bago yung pansin. JDB knew exactly where Bo wanted to go.
Si Bo Belga is another speed.
Baguio taking it from behind Ping. Skyros on the move. Zigzagging his way in. Natapigan siya ni Melton from behind. And Melton jumps into the second row.
Pwede natin ilaban niya sa hurdles.
Oh, grabe yung lipat ni Quick Melton.
Eugene Mystery ka natin. Baka hop, step, and jump. Pwede rin yan.
Especially not against San Miguel. Dahil talagang pagbabayaran mo ng malaki yan. Mga agaw ng Magnolia, ayaw na naman ito. Ang counter steal, yung mga nangyari. So they get that right back. Lucas will get it back as well. Was that like 5 on 1 play?
Set the ball straight to the left wing. Follows it up, gets the offense rebound on his side.
Arwin pass from Ping. It will bounce out. Arwin reclaims it. Lassiter wide open!
Yung sapatos na yun, yung tawag doon, supalpal.